Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Motorola Razr 2022 and let me share with you how to change keyboard language on this device. So first of all, we have to open the keyboard, and it doesn't really matter where. It can be, for example, in the messages, in notes, in the browser. As I said, it doesn't really matter, just have the keyboard on the screen. And now all we have to do is to simply enter the settings. If for some reason you cannot find them here, no worries, 3 dots icon, tap on got it, and they will appear right here. You can tap on them, hold them, and drag them to this position, to this panel actually, to have much faster access to it. So let's enter the settings and tap on the languages at the very top. And as you can see, here we've got the list of all currently added languages or the layouts. And here we've got only English, so let's tap on Add Keyboard. And here we've been transferred to the full list of all available keyboards from which we can choose. So as you can see, this list is so wide, and I'm pretty sure that you will find the language you like to use. So basically, as I said, all you have to do is to simply find the language and tap on it. Sometimes, of course, depending on the language, you will be able to pick different regions of it, so different types of this language. So just tap on the one you'd like to use, and as you can see, here we've got the keyboard types, and again, depending on the language, you will be able to choose from 1 to even 5 different keyboard types. Currently I've got, in the Urdu language, I've got 3 different keyboards, and personally I would like to use this one. So all we have to do is to simply tap on it to tick it, to just mark it, and then let me untick this option because I just want to use 1. Of course, if you want to, you can use 2 or 3 or all of them. It's up to you. So let's confirm it with done, and as you can see, the Urdu language has been applied to this list. So now we can go back to the keyboard and check. And here we will have 2 differences. Currently we can see only one of them. So it is the globe icon, which will actually allow us to change the language. So currently I'm typing, let's say, English on the English keyboard, and after tapping on the globe icon, I can easily switch to the Urdu one. And here we also can see the second difference, so the spacebar. The spacebar is not empty anymore. Right now we've got the name of the language we are currently using. So right now it is Urdu, but after tapping on the globe icon, we've got the English. So this is how to add the language to the keyboard. And now let me show you how to remove it, because sometimes you do not really need like 2 or 3 different languages added. You just want to change it to have only one. So let's enter the settings again, tap on the languages, and here we've got new icon, the pencil icon. So let's tap on it, and as you can see right now we can mark the languages. So let me pick Urdu, and I want to leave English. So let me pick Urdu and tap on the trash bin icon. As you can see, I've got only English left. And after getting back, you can see that first of all, the globe icon is not available anymore. What's more, the spacebar is empty, which simply means that we cannot change the language. So we've got only one applied. So basically that's all. This is how to change keyboard language in your Motorola Razr 2022. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.